Hello friends, I'm Dr. Mrigakshi Gupta. I'm a pulmonologist and an intensivist, and today I want to talk about a very sensitive topic: what is a living will and why it matters. Working in an ICU day in and day out, I see patients and families suffer when they are critically ill. A living will, also called an advance directive, is a legal document that documents what your wish would be if you are critically ill. What kind of medical treatment would you want if you are critically ill? Would you want life support, or would you want comfortable care only if you are critically ill? Now, why is this important and how you can process this in India? In India, a living will has been legalized since 2018 under the right to die with dignity. So you can make a living will in India. You can document your wishes in front of two witnesses and get it signed by a judicial magistrate, and then leave it with your friends and family for future use. Now, this is not something where we want you to lose hope. It is not something where a living will is not being hopeless in any way. But yes, we do understand that at some point in life, we may come to that situation where we'll be critically ill when we will not be able to explain our wishes. हम अपनी प्रॉपर्टी की, अपने पैसे की विल तो बना लेते हैं, लेकिन अपनी लाइफ की विल बनाने के बारे में नहीं सोचते हैं, because it sounds too hopeless. But what happens when this patient is in the ICU and is terminally ill, and the decision to give treatment or to withdraw treatment lies with the family. And this family it becomes very difficult for families to decide this. आप अपने चाहने वाले की ट्रीटमेंट रोकना भी नहीं चाहते, डिस्पाइट ऑफ नोइंग कि ये नहीं बच पाएंगे, कि ये क्रिटिकली इल है, कि ये टर्मिनल इलनेस है, इसमें आपको डॉक्टर ने जवाब दे दिया है, तब भी आप ट्रीटमेंट नहीं रोकते हैं, क्योंकि इट बिकम्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एथिकल इशू. जो आपकी फैमिली है वो आपकी विश जाने बिना आपकी ट्रीटमेंट नहीं रोकना चाहती है. तो दीज डिलेमास आर समथिंग वी नोटिस डेली इन द ICU. And a simple solution to it could be a living will, which is जो हमारी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हमें अलाउ करती है कि हम बनाएं और अपनी विशेस के अकॉर्डिंग अपने बच्चों को, अपनी फैमिली को इस डिलेमा में ना छोड़ें कि क्या हम और ट्रीटमेंट दें, क्या हम और ट्रीटमेंट ना दें. So when you know that this is a critically ill patient and the chances of survival are not there, in that situation a living will comes into play. That whether to treat further, whether to put on life support, whether to extend misery by putting on life support, or to stop it. So this power lies with you. So this is all about knowing your rights. So talk to your doctor. So your living will is your voice when you won't be able to speak. Thank you.